Hello, my YouTube friends. I am Stephanie, and this is the channel Innovation Justice. Welcome again. In this video tutorial, I am going to explain you how to create a new user in Postgres SQL and to give that user all the authentication to create table, to insert, to update, to delete, and all the possible operation. The problem it is that, okay, let me zoom a bit this text editor. I'm going to see 18, okay. And we are in Postgres SQL. The command to start the Postgres is etc init.d postgresql, and the command it is start. If you want to stop, it is stop. If you want to start, it is start. Let me write in my terminal init.d postgresql and start. As you can see, this is the service it is starting. I'm going to use also the pgadmin, that it is graphic interface for PostgreSQL. pgadmin. I have installed pgadmin number 3, and after I have done some connection, these are my databases. The default user for Postgres it is with name Postgres, and with your username Postgres and the password also Postgres. This is the default user in Postgres. In order to create another user, for example, I don't want the user with name Postgres, but I want a user with name myuser and with password mypassword. In order to create this user and with that password, we can go at Postgres and we can create at login roles. As you can check here, I have another user with name Orphan, and this is the default user, Postgres. As you can see, it is encrypted password here. Also for my Orphan, it has an encrypted password, so we are not able to see what is behind that password. The only way it is to decrypt this password, but we are not going to introduce these steps. So we go at login rules and we create a new login rule, and name it will be my user, and the password it will be my password. We can insert my password again, and these are some other options for account expires if you want to set any date, and here are the connection limit. At root privilege, we check all these things here, the super user, and that this user can create a database, can create rules, and can initiate streaming replication and backups. This is all we need to create a new user. Check OK, and as we can see at login rules, now I have my user, and it is another user in Postgres. But in Kali Linux, in order to use this user, I have to edit a file, and this file I'm going to check pg hbi, and this is the file I am looking for. Let me copy and paste here. So in default mode, the only user in Postgres it will be Postgres, and it has all the privileges. Other users don't have all the privileges. So in order to give my user all the privileges, I have to edit this file here. Let's go at terminal, and I'm going to edit this file. Okay. these are comments. In the end of the file, you will see some things like local and IPv4 and IPv6. In the default mode, at user column, you will have only Postgres. So you have to change it to all this, and at IPv4 also it will be Postgres, but you have to change with all, so all users can have the privileges. Let me give some more focus here. Okay. So, as I said, it's local, you will have only Postgres, but you have to change to all. And the method, in your case, it will be emptify. So you have to change this also to trust and trust. So the IP4 can trust the users and give the privileges. Let me copy this. Let me paste here in my document. So you have to change at local this column here to all, and this to trust, and also to IP4 all and trust, and also to local replication, this one here. And as soon as you change this, you just go at Postgres and you give it a restart command here. Here, just give it restart, and everything it will be fine. I explained this because when we have to connect our web application, like we have to create a web on PHP or Java, etc., and we want to connect with Postgres, we are not able to use these users, and the error, it will be JDBC, it will be the JDBC error connection. So in order to avoid all the database problems, we have to change this file here. Thank you for following us. Please do not forget to subscribe and like the video, and thank you.